had a recent conversation with one of my mentors, si Francis Kong. Sinabi niya sa akin, what is one of the saddest thing that can happen to young people nowadays? Ano mo sagot sa akin? Most of them never experience to become poor. Maybe mahirap ang sitwasyon din ng mga ibang tao ngayon, pero nandun na yung convenience eh.
Convenience.
Internet, di ba? Microwave, delivery. During our time, zero lahat yun eh.
Wala. Yeah, I look back, riding jeepneys, tricycle. I
O
think
ngayon, Grab.
things
Di ba?
were slower at that time din. Diba? Things were slower.
So, ang kagandahan kasi during that time, nung lumaki tayo sa ganong era, alam natin lahat ng bagay may process.
Yeah.
Kailangan maging patient ka, maghintay ka. And yan ang isang kulang na ngayon ng era right now. Everybody wants it fast, 'di ba? Yung parang 'di ba dati yung age natin, midlife crisis at 50. Pero ngayon,
Ngayon ba?
quarter life crisis
Quarter
na
life,
at
25.
25.
Yeah.
Wala pa daw na-achieve, wala pa daw nagagawa. Parang they become depressed.
I get you.